The second-generation Alfa Romeo Stelvio finally arrives next year, bringing beautiful Italian styling and thrilling new electrified powertrains. This sultry luxury SUV continues the iconic design language, but ushers in a completely new era for the brand. Alfa Romeo struggled recently in the United States, but this redesigned bestseller might spark a massive market resurgence soon. Riding on the highly advanced STLA large platform, it seamlessly handles internal combustion, hybrid, and pure electric powertrain setups. This flexible new architecture means the Stelvio will grow larger, offering enhanced interior space and a much commanding presence. Buyers can confidently choose between an extremely efficient hybrid powertrain or a staggeringly powerful all-electric version for their garage.
The upcoming performance model may feature a turbocharged inline-six hybrid engine that delivers an incredible 550 horsepower.
Standard hybrid variants will likely pair a turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor for exceptional daily driving efficiency. The pure electric version uses an advanced 400-volt architecture, sending immense power to all four moving wheels. Engineers are meticulously tweaking this electric powertrain to deliver up to 670 horsepower of raw driving thrill. Alfa Romeo engineers will heavily tweak the electric system to differentiate this svelte SUV from blocky American muscle cars.
The vehicle will continuously compete against traditional luxury compact SUVs like the BMW X3 and the Mercedes-Benz GLC.
This stunning Italian masterpiece is also preparing to do intense battle with the highly disruptive new Genesis GV70 SUV. The fully electric version will directly challenge powerful battery-powered competitors, such as the highly anticipated Porsche Macan EV.
It must also steal valuable market share from other premium electric luxury models like the advanced Audi Q6 SUV.
Unfortunately, not a massive ton of people are currently buying new Alfa Romeo vehicles in the competitive American market.
If the iconic brand cannot build enough public awareness, this incredible new SUV might completely flop and be forgotten.
Historically, Alfa Romeo reliability continues to remain a serious concern for many buyers who remember previous electrical system failures. Past long-term test vehicles like the older Giulia sedan were often heavily plagued with highly frustrating software problems. Alfa Romeo confirmed that production of the highly anticipated next-generation Stelvio will begin for North America in 2026. This stunning new Italian luxury compact sport utility vehicle will likely end up arriving for the 2027 model year. The completely redesigned vehicle will peacefully live alongside the previous generation Stelvio continuously until the end of 2026 officially. We heavily expect the overall purchase cost to rise significantly from the current $50,990 price. The incredibly efficient new hybrid model will possibly feature a starting price resting comfortably around exactly $55,000. The futuristic all-electric version should be even pricier, likely starting much closer to a massive $70,000. Inside this gorgeous cabin, luxury buyers can expect premium Italian leather materials seamlessly blending with cutting-edge infotainment displays. Despite increasing dimensions, the advanced chassis tuning guarantees this new SUV maintains the sharp, thrilling handling dynamics you desire. The legendary high-performance Quadrifoglio badge represents pure Italian passion and will definitely remain the ultimate crown jewel model. Alfa Romeo is taking a bold step forward, ensuring the upcoming Stelvio delivers breathtaking beauty alongside massive technological power. Every single aerodynamic curve on this beautiful vehicle is perfectly sculpted to maximize overall efficiency and improve battery range. Massive signature alloy wheels beautifully hide enormous high-performance brake calipers that provide exceptional stopping power in any situation.
The striking new rear taillight design features a continuous sleek light bar that commands absolute attention during night driving.
Advanced ultra-fast charging technology ensures you spend significantly less time waiting and spend much more time purely driving. The sporty flat-bottom steering wheel features an integrated start button that truly ignites your internal passion every morning. A premium high-fidelity surround sound audio system perfectly transforms the quiet cabin into a beautiful private concert hall. Advanced automated driver assistance systems provide a protective digital shield, keeping your family entirely safe during long highway commutes. An active adaptive suspension brilliantly balances aggressive cornering performance with incredibly comfortable ride quality on very rough city streets. This phenomenal second-generation sport utility vehicle truly represents the beautiful future of electrified Italian passion and luxury driving. The newly designed chassis structure significantly improves overall torsional rigidity for a much safer and highly dynamic driving experience. Alfa Romeo deeply understands that true automotive enthusiasts demand absolute perfection in every single small exterior and interior detail. Customizable ambient interior lighting beautifully highlights the sweeping dashboard curves and creates a highly relaxing atmosphere for night driving. The beautifully integrated lower rear diffuser manages underbody airflow perfectly to keep the vehicle highly stable at maximum speeds. An incredibly precise steering rack ensures you feel completely connected to the road during aggressive and fast cornering maneuvers. Getting behind the steering wheel of this highly anticipated sport utility vehicle will truly ignite your absolute driving passion. This bold, massive evolutionary step forward guarantees that the Stelvio will fiercely remain highly relevant for many upcoming years. The completely reinvented Alfa Romeo Stelvio perfectly blends thrilling electrified performance with absolutely stunning. The new 2027 Alfa Romeo Stelvio masterfully redefines modern luxury, electrified performance, and breathtaking daily driving excitement. Thank you for watching this complete video review, and please subscribe to our channel for more amazing daily automotive content.